Hey there, in this tutorial series I would be explaining about the tool used to partially automate URDF file building process and using SolidWorks to efficiently build URDF files. This series would be useful to one who knows a bit about URDF, basic part modeling and assembly in SolidWorks, basic robot simulation in Gazebo and controlling it using ROS. Now that the goal of the tutorial series and the target audience is set, we answer the next question. Why should one spend time on this series? Building a URDF file for a bot from scratch is a tedious task. Exporting various links of a bot as .step or .dae file for both collision and visual models and then building joints in XML requires a lot of effort even after using Zacros. This series aims to present methods through which this process can be simplified. With the why answered, let's tackle the how. How can I automate the URDF file building process? You would need one software and a plugin to achieve this task. The software is SolidWorks and the plugin is called SolidWorks URDF Exporter. The plugin can be downloaded from ROS Wiki and installed by following the instructions given on the website. This PDF provides a great overview of how the plugin is used. Links to both of these resources are given in the description. That's it for part 1 of this series. How to use the plugin will be discussed along with a technique to build URDF files effectively in part 2. Thank you.